Meet Sun Bum Kids SPF 50 Face Stick. Sunscreen that keeps up with kids. Broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection because the sun doesn't play favorites. Glides on clear, so your kid won't look like a powdered donut. Wet or dry skin? No problem. This stick handles both like a champ. Water resistant for 80 minutes. Perfect for splash zones and sweaty adventures. Vitamin E enriched formula. Like a spa day for your kid's face. No Oxybenzone, Octinoxate, parabens, or synthetic fragrance. Just good vibes. Compact design fits in your pocket, purse, or superhero utility belt. Hawaii 104 Act compliant. Safe for reefs, safe for your little fish. Dermatologist tested, vegan, cruelty-free, because your kid deserves the best. Apply liberally, reapply often. Protect their skin like it's your full-time job. Trust the bum, because kids rule and their sunscreen should too. It was a sunny beach day and my niece was on a mission. Her goal? Build the world's biggest sandcastle, wet sand, dry sand, everything. But halfway through, she looked like a lobster in training. Uh-oh. I pulled out my secret weapon, compact and mess-free like magic. She squinted at me, skeptical. You sure this works on wet skin? With one swipe, it glided on clear. No sticky mess, no drama. 80 minutes later, she was still castle building, sunburn-free and victorious. Vitamin E? Check. No synthetic fragrance? Check. Hawaii Act compliant? Double check. No Oxybenzone, no Octinoxate. Just broad-spectrum protection for active kiddos. The Sun Bum Kids SPF 50 Face Stick. Tiny but mighty sunscreen hero. Customer reviews. 4.7 out of 5 stars, no one. Perfect purse-size sunscreen for on the go. It goes on like chapstick for the face, but isn't sticky or greasy. Our family spent the day at a track meet and one application lasted all day. Plus it smells so good, too, so easy to apply on the go. Smells so nice and small enough to carry anywhere. Love it so far, and my toddler doesn't seem to mind it.